Could this be the most powerful laptop I have unboxed on the channel? Let's discover together as I unbox and share my first impressions of the OMEN 16-inch gaming laptop. Model number for reference is 16-XD0001NA. On the side of the box it mentions some key specs. A few of those to mention are 16.1-inch FHD IPS LED display, AMD Ryzen 7000 series, NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4060, 8GB, 16GB of DDR5 SDR RAM, 1TB of SSD, and 83-watt battery. So let's now pop the lid and see what's inside. A laptop, I hope. So over to the right hand side, you're going to get this little box with OMEN on this. Opening this up, you're going to find your 3-pin power connection and your power brick here. This is 230-watt smart AC power adapter, which gives you the ability to charge the 83-watt battery to 50% in just 30 minutes, which is actually quite incredible. Please note as well, there is some paperwork actually underneath your laptop, and you may also receive other items in this box, but this is a press review unit, so I'm thankful for the team at OMEN for sending this out. Now to the exciting part, and that is your OMEN 16-inch laptop itself. So it comes in some plastic wrapping. Take this off. It also then comes in a soft touch bag or pouch that you can actually leave it in to keep it protected, which is nice. So when it goes into my tech travel bag, it's then more further protected, and it then protects the shadow black design that this has here. It has a chrome finish to the logo. And actually for a laptop that is designed towards gaming, it's not too heavy, 2.37 kilos. And then you can see a range of different ports on each side that we'll talk through a bit later on. So you've got some USBs, you've got USB-C, you've got HDMI connection, you've got microphone jack there as well as an audio in option. You've got your fans and your vents at the back there and a new thermal cooling system. And then over on the other side, you've got an RJ45 or Ethernet port connection, another USB-A, and again some vents. And that's it port-wise. However, we'll delve into that a little bit later on. So lifting the lid of our laptop here, and you have some protection over the screen, which is great. So a 16-inch screen, or 16.1 to be actually exact. And here is our laptop. So let's power it on, a key necessity to get started. As you may know, I'm visually impaired, and I like to speak about the accessible features where possible. When Windows 11's setup process begins, it will announce options to help you if required.
To set up your device using a screen reader, turn on Narrator by pressing Windows and Control and Enter. For more accessibility features, press Windows and U, or select the accessibility icon in the bottom corner.
There are a range of settings to help, from magnification, narrator, contrast themes, plus options for your keyboard. I have created an easy 10-step guide on how to set up Windows 11, which you can watch here by clicking this video, or I will leave a link in the video description. With the setup now complete, we can enjoy our new beast of a laptop from OMEN. Let's talk more about those key details. So first up is our display and what we'll be enjoying our content on. The display is always measured diagonally, so this 40.9 centimeters or 16.1 inches. It's FHD with a resolution of 1920 by 1080, has 165 Hz, 7 milliseconds response time, IPS micro edge display, anti-glare, low blue lights, that's really helpful during the night time when you're enjoying your gaming. Speakers are going to be enjoyable on this laptop as audio is provided by Bang & Olufsen, DTS-X Ultra, dual speakers, HP audio boost is also built in. So again, I'm looking forward to seeing what the sound is like. So moving on to performance and what's actually running your laptop itself. So the processor is AMD Ryzen 7000 series and its official title is 7840HS, up to 5.1 GHz max boost clock. That's 8 cores and 16 threads. Then to help with your gaming, you have NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4060 graphics card, 16GB of DDR5 RAM as I've mentioned, 1TB of SSD Gen 4, that's PCI, 6-cell 83-watt lithium-ion polymer battery, which supports up to 8 hours of use, 50% charge in just 30 minutes, which is actually really incredible. You may have also noticed the web camera built into the top bezel. So this is a HP True Vision 1080p FHD camera with temporal noise reduction and integrated dual array digital microphone, so really helpful for conference calls or when you want to chat with people depending what service you're using. And then it comes onto the ports that we have. So you have one USB type A 5GB, you have one USB-C 5GB, gigabytes. You have USB power delivery, and you've got DisplayPort 1.4a optional, 2 USB-A's, again 5 gigabytes, 1 HDMI 2.1, 1 RJ45 connection or your Ethernet connection. You have 1 AC smart power pin and 1 headphone microphone combo connection there. So there are loads of ports here, and it is set up and it is ready to go. I'm actually looking forward to seeing what it's like on my daily life, so for my work and also for playing and sitting back and enjoying games. I know there's a lot of details there to take in, but I will make sure to leave a link in the video description to the spec sheet and where to buy here in the UK. So at the moment, during the January sales when recording this video, prices are varying from £1,000 to £1,300, so make sure to shop around. I have provided my Amazon link in the video description. Please note that is an affiliate link. It won't cost you any extra, but you'll help support the channel. And I want to leave on a question to end this video, to ask what games should I be playing on this beast of a laptop from OMEN? Leave your comments below and I will share my full review soon. Make sure to subscribe and ring the notification bell to be notified when I launch new videos. All that's left to say is thank you for watching and supporting the channel, and have a great day.